Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Where's your sun? Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Where's your spider? And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Very good. The spider. Razzie, what does a doggy say? That's a kitty cat. What's a doggy say? That's right, it's a very quiet dog, huh? What's an elephant say? Ooh, good. What's a monkey say? All right. Oop, did you drop that? What does a horse say? Good. What's a sheep say? What's a bumblebee say? What's a snake say? Very good. How about a pig? And a bird? Tweet, tweet. And a duck? Good girl. And a tiger? Good roar. It's a quiet tiger too. What are you eating? You're eating? What are you eating? What are you doing? Do you want to do 5 little ducks? 5 little ducks went out one day. Show me over the hills. Over the hills and far away. Father Duck said. Good, and only 4 little ducks came back. Yay! Raziel. Raziel. Psst. What are you doing? You're being a monkey? And an elephant? Raziel, where's your nose? Show me your nose. Good girl. You got lotion on your finger. Where's your mouth? Good. Where's your eyes? Yay. Where's your ears? Ears. Good. Where's your hair? Where's your elbows? Where's your elbow? Show me. Are you losing interest? Goofball. Hey, look at me. Can you tell the camera bye-bye? Bye-bye, camera. Blow kiss. Mwah. Say love you. Razzie, love you. Mama.